What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 83 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail: baseball, football, basketball, wrestling, golf, all kinds of stuff. Today, we got to get this out of the way here. We made a trade with our buddy Alan Twitchell. He has a channel on YouTube also. Go follow him. He's got a cool channel, but we trade a lot. He wanted a Sonny Bishop 69 football card, and I'm working on his 87 top set. This puts me over 200 and some for the set now. So, cool. Thanks, Alan. Like I said, make sure you go check out his channel. And here we have some through the mail goodness right here. This is what we got Friday. 4 for 4 in 37 days. Glenn Borgman, 1980 tops, 75 tops, an 80 tops, and a 78 tops. Very nice. Got a 3 for 3 in 38 days. 84 tops for the set. Randy Johnson. Got a couple of those, and he signed an index card for me. I'm always appreciative of that. 4 for 4 in 17 days. Nice. Don Troll. I believe he's a College Football Hall of Famer. Yeah, Houston Oilers College Football Hall of Fame 2013. Awesome. These are the tall boys from 65, I think. We ended up getting 3 of those signed. Those are my favorite cards of all time for football. Teammate was Lawrence Elkins. 5 for 5 in 17 days. Tommy Hart, 49ers, Bears, and Saints. And he signed 80 tops, 78 tops, and a 79 tops. 2 for 2 in 17 days. Phil Villapiano, 75 and a 77. Beautiful. 2 for 2 in 17 days. Albert Bentley, 91 Fleer Ultra and 91 Pro Set, maybe? I don't know. 92 Pro Set. 3 for 3 in 17 days. 78 John Cappelletti, 78 John Cappelletti, 81 John Cappelletti. Heisman Trophy winner. 5 for 5 in 17 days. Craig James, 86 tops. What is this? 1,000-yard club. I'm not sure what year that's from. Might be 86 also. Yeah, I think it's 86. Got 2 of those and 2 regular 86s. That was an 86 pack there. I always liked him too. He was good. 3 for 3 in 17 days. Fred Hill, 69 tops. Nice. Thanks for thinking of me. Enjoy the cards. Your pal, Ted Frisch. Redskins. Nice. There's a 78, 77, 78, 79. Nice. Beautiful. 3 for 3 in 12 days. Personalized. Gene Howard. Couple 369 tops. I don't know if he has any more cards or not. I'll have to find out. 2 for 3. So he signed 2. I sent him 3. Let's see what we got. Vern Den Herder. 81. And a 75. I'm not sure if he doesn't do multiples or he just doesn't do duplicates. He might have a 2 limit. I'm not sure. It's the first time I think I've ever sent to him. 3 for 3 in 12 days. Vince Evans, 81 tops. 82 tops. And I thought there's another 81 top sticker. Nice. 4 for 4 in 10 days. 84 tops, George Wright. 84 tops. 85 tops. A couple for the set there. 83 Donruss. 3 for 3 in 10 days. 72 Eddie Watt. 70 Eddie Watt. And a tops rookie, 66. Nice. 4 for 4 in 10 days. Dave Wickersham. There's a 62 tops, a 68 tops, a 67 tops, and a 64 tops big. I like those 64s. Those are nice. Great cards. 5 for 5 in 10 days. Index card by John Verhoeven. 78, 81, 82, and 77. Nice. $5 fee, and it was 5 for 5. This might be I just sent him because this is it. I just sent him $5 because I send to this guy a lot because he has a lot of cards. Like, look at that. That's a 61 leaf or something, I think, or a 60 leaf. Can't remember. I love that card. That's awesome. I've been looking for one of those. There's a 60 tops. I needed that for the set. There's a 59 tops, a 57 tops, and I needed this for a set, I know. 64. These are nice. But like I said, I sent him $5, and I asked him who his favorite teammate was. Dick Groat. Cool. This was, I sent $30. It was 6 for 6 in 17 days. And this is another guy I've sent to a lot. I went ahead and sent him $5 a card. It was Bobby Shantz, 59 tops, 62 tops, 64 tops, a 60 tops, a 56 tops, and a 55 Bowman. Needed quite a few of those for my sets, and I didn't mind paying up. And he put thanks for your kindness, and he said Bobby Richardson, the second baseman, was his favorite teammate. 1 for 1 in 12 days. He actually put sorry about that. Not sure. Oh, it's a little smudged or something. Who cares? It looks good to me. Can't remember what year that is. Maybe a 1960 tops or something. This is $5 I sent, and it was a 6 for 6. Yeah, this isn't a fee. This is just because I sent him. I've sent them before in the past, and I had to get a few cards done because I had another one of these 64 big cards. That's a 64 tops big, and we got a 71, and we got a 64 cup card. And I always tell you guys about these. It was air. They switched the faces on the cards, but they have these side ones right, so they'll both sign the cards. So these, I didn't have complete ones in my set, so now these will be complete in my 60 set. So that's why I had to send to him. And he was an 1863 Rookie of the Year. So I got the index card, and I asked him who his favorite teammate was. Jim Landis was his favorite teammate. Here's a 4 for 4 in 17 days. Oh, yes. Roger Craig. Nice inscription. The greats of the game. Roger Craig with another nice 3-time Super Bowl champs inscription. Oh, that looks nice. And a rookie card. Beautiful. 5 for 5. Or 4 for 4 with $5 fee. I'm not sure if it was a fee or somebody I sent too often. Like I said, if I send a guy as quickly, I'll send him. Oh, this is a guy I sent to quickly, so I sent him $5. And like I said, anytime I've sent these guys money, they've been happy. Dick Groat, I've sent to him 2 or 3 times, so I went ahead and sent him $5. And he signed his 64 tops card. And he signed his 59 tops for the set. And his 54 tops. And the 55 tops. Beautiful. 24 autographs today. This one was it was a $5 fee, and I got 5 cards, so it was $25 for these. And the funny thing is, I don't think I sent him a Sazy because he sent it in his own envelope. So luckily, it was a guy that I sent money to, and he felt bad and got me an envelope and a Sazy. But I'm starting to work on this. Shout out to Haas. He's the one that got me doing these things. I think it's Haas, isn't it? Or it's Hit Squad Collectibles. Look at those two guys mixed up. But beautiful cards. I love this card. But like I said, these were $5 fees. 89 Fleer. I love these score superstars. And 88 Fleer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and this came out of the 88 Fleer. This was some kind of thing out of the factory set. But cool, guys. Let me get down here and show you everything. This is everything we got on Friday. 24 returns. Let me know what your favorite one is. I think my favorite one is probably going to be Dick Groat. I love that 59 Dick Groat, and I love that 54. And then the second favorite one, man, this is tough. Probably go with Don Troll, just because I love those tall boys. And then that next one has to be Bill Verdon. I love that Leaf card. I've never had a Leaf card before. But let me know what your favorite ones are, guys. Please like, please subscribe, please hit all. And like I said, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank everybody that signed my cards. And peace. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.